Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, a good deal, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, steel wheels, FWD, headlights auto off, wheel covers, mirror memory, remote trunk release. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.